Enjoy this one-of-a-kind property on 65 acres of rolling hills with a creek for livestock. The home is like new. It was originally built in 1952 and was completely renovated in 2016 with another $30K addition of a new sunroom to enjoy. The home has new wiring, insulation, plumbing, heat pump, etc. This property is a developer's dream project or a wonderful place to raise a family. This land has a lot of history to it. The property has an old estate located on the hill behind the home going back to the 1700s. The existing estate would be an amazing location for a new home and to rent out the existing home that was renovated. The land also has an old tobacco barn, feed barn, machinery shed, and misc buildings around the property. All outbuildings sold as is. Property